Welcome to my room, and this is my room. As you can see, all of us are here, and this is the first time that we have this. This is our open house. I would like to show you that my seat. You know, Paul is sitting there. You know, this kind of there's a fountain here. You know, this is called the magic fountain and the bonsai plant. It's because to use for to reinvigorate, you know, the senses, just like that. And then of course I have my lap here. And then this is supposed to be a bookshelf, but you know, there's no books. This is the books. These are all my books. See the Bible, La Biblia. And then also chicken soup for the couple soul.
Couple?
And this is my vow cross, you know. It's so, I didn't clean it. I'm sorry, I didn't clean it. There. You can see my altar. And then this was given by a friend named Robin. There. So 30, you know. And this is my, you know, my... Di ka dito! It only fits for one. Come on, let's do it there. Yeah, there. Come on, Paul. There.
Tina,
There.
action.
There's my, you know my phone?
You're very naughty.
This is a phone. This is a real phone. There. Hello? So, deliver pizza. Okay. So my cabinet. The cabinet is, wait, there. You can see, there's a rug. So, I didn't arrange it. So, and then these are my shoes. These are all my shoes. Now, that's my room. Ano ba to? Yung celebrity. Now, I have to check it out. And thank you, MTV, for this opportunity.